How to recover Spotify account without email or password. So if you want to recover your Spotify account without email or without password, then you can't do that on your Spotify app, right? So you can open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and I'll be here with Chrome browser. And after opening your browser, now on the search bar you can search for Spotify support, or you can also search for Spotify Help Center. And after searching that, here on the first you will have Spotify contact us. You can go for that. And then if you simply scroll down, here you will have send a message option, right? And under that you will have message us, which is underlined. So you can simply tap on that, and here it will take you to this page, right? So here you will have three options, or you can also say four options. So first is you can continue with your Google. If you have created your account using your Google, so you can simply continue with your Google. Or if you have created your account with Facebook, or if you have continued with your Facebook, then you will have that option. And if you have created your Spotify using your Apple account, then you will have the option of continue with Apple. So you can simply go for these options instead of entering your email or your password. But if you don't have these three things, like if you don't have access to these three things, then the last option is to enter your username or your email address and then your password. But if you don't remember this, then you can simply tap on forgot your password, reset your password option, and it will simply give you some steps like there are a few ways to sign up, that is with your email, phone number, Facebook, Apple, or Google. Or you can simply try logging in with these options. But if you don't have access to any of these, then you can't log back into your account has been lost. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.